Massage this. Let's massage it. Massage it, baby.
What are you doing? No, not baby. It's
Venom. Sorry, Venom.
Venom.
Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it.
Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Who is this?
This is Venom. From
Venom. Hi, Venom.
Venom is from the movie with Spider-Man.
Oh, okay, so we have a special guest. Venom is here today. Hi, Venom. How are you?
I'm good.
Okay, Venom. Venom, do you know what we're doing today? What are we doing today, Venom?
You're gonna do... So, actually, you're gonna do something in my house. With, yeah.
What daughter?
So my daughter is 5 years old.
Your daughter is 5 years old, Venom?
Yeah.
What's her name?
Khadija.
Okay. Alright guys, so Venom and I are going to be making these cookie houses, but Halloween version. So, get a little closer for you guys. Venom ended up using his superpowers to, you know, destroy the top, but this is so cute. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And what else, Jace? Alright, so this is how
Halloween.
we are going to be making our houses. Something like this. Venom, you're not supposed to burp. Venom, what do you say, Venom?
Excuse me.
Oh, okay, Venom. So these are the instructions here. So let's take everything out. Venom. Let's take everything out, okay?
Can I take it out?
Sure.
Okay.
So, can you see? Be careful, be careful, be careful. Alright, so some of the things are broken, unfortunately. They're not whole. And this was purchased from Walmart.
What is this?
What are those?
These
are some green and purple
sprinkles.
sprinkle balls. What are those? Let me see.
Sprinkles.
Let me see.
Sprinkles.
Oh, sprinkles? Oh, there's more stuff.
Wait.
Oh, we have two. So it comes with two cookie houses. Oh man, one of them are broken. And we got some more icing in here.
Mom, look.
Okay.
Look, doggies. Look. Doggies.
Yes.
Oh, look at this.
We got some sprinkles. We got some decoration, some bat decorations. And some more sprinkles over here. Oh, the icing. Wow.
The icing is melting.
No, it's not. It looks like it got cold.
Oh, this is freezing.
So these are the included pieces right here. I don't know if you guys could see that. But I'm going to take a picture of everything. Oh, it says ready to build 2 houses right here. Ready to build 2 houses. Right here. So, some of our decorations. Oh, you broke the rest of the decorations.
It broke by itself.
Alright.
That's not me.
It says for number 1, it says massage cookie icing bag for 2 minutes to make icing softer and more adhesive. When you're ready to decorate, cut the tip of the icing bag 1/4 inch from the end and arrange the cookie house pieces face up.
Oh.
So unfortunately, one of these are broken. Don't know if you could see that. Let's see if you can. It's broken. Yeah, it's broke. So, alright baby, come on, sit down.
It is close.
So we finished doing our decorating pumpkin vlog, so you guys should definitely tune into that. The pumpkin decorating vlog is the video before this, and we also went to the F&W, I think it's called Schwartz Farm, but we ended up going to the pumpkin patch. So it was really fun. Leave it. It was very exciting, fun. It was a lot of people because it was
a lot of
80-degree weather, but it was pretty good.
It's 40 degrees.
So we gotta massage this. Let's massage it. Massage it, baby.
What are you doing? No, not baby. It's
Venom. Sorry, Venom. Sorry, Venom.
It's okay, daughter. So these are broke.
Raise it up higher so they can see.
I don't know what to do.
Jace, you are a character. You know that? Massage your icing, baby. Massage it.
Like this?
Massage it. Oh, all of these things are broken. It really makes sense to use this. Walmart, y'all didn't have to do us like that. Jace's side. So I'm gonna help Jace with his. And then, yeah, we'll come back to this. All right, so I'm using Jace's Chick-fil-A cup to hold mine together a little bit. Wait, don't move it. So I'm gonna add the roof on it before I help assemble his, because it has to dry. So these are the pieces right here. I put some icing on it already.
But how about my ginger spoon?
Hold on, baby.
So I'm gonna put this.
I don't know if it's gonna stick though.
Oh, ooh, I'm telling.
This one is sliding off.
Mommy, can you hold this for me?
1 second, baby. 1 second. Let me hold this and then I'm gonna help you, okay? So
Yours look better because mine is not fixed.
it's okay. Mommy's gonna help you. Mommy has to put one together and then put the other one.
It's
because
not
it takes
the
30
best.
minutes to dry, okay?
It's not the best one.
Yes, it is the best, baby.
You have to just do this because
You're doing a good job, okay? You gotta hold it because it keeps sliding.
I'm not doing it.
Not you, baby. I'm just talking out loud. So this is how it looks so far. Super cute. I just hope it doesn't fall apart. So I guess I'm gonna have to hold it here for 30 minutes. But see you in the next clip. Oh, gotta turn it off the camera.
Nice up.
Alright guys, so I was using this Chick-fil-A cup to hold this. So I think it is pretty dry. It's been more than 30 minutes. Okay, Papa, come on. So this one is Jace right here. So, alright guys, so this one is Jace's. I tried, you can put it over there. I tried to put it together, but the pieces, what is that? The pieces they are just too broken up. So, you know, he'll do what he can with this. So Jace, Mommy tried to do her best with yours, okay?
I want to eat yours.
You want to eat mine? Okay, so
I'm
I'm going to start decorating mine.
Okay, can I help you?
Yeah, you can decorate mine.
Okay.
So we're going to just decorate mine.
That's
and then,
nice.
Thank you, baby.
You're welcome.
No, don't cut it.
You have to cut this. Oh.
So just gonna...
And you have to put this on it too. Wow, these are